Apple doesn't want everyone to use this feature, because in some supported regions, iPhone users can now install apps outside the App Store officially. Apple officially supports alternative app distribution in supported regions like the EU, Japan, and Brazil. That means no normal sideloading certificate, no signing IPA every few days, and no random enterprise certificate needed. But if your iPhone is not in a supported region, this option may not appear. So today I'm going to show you EU Enabler Sideloading, a method that can unlock EU-style app installation on compatible iPhone and iPad devices. Watch carefully because this method is different from normal sideloading. So let's get started. EU Sideloading is a new way to install apps on iPhone and iPad outside the normal App Store. Supported users can install apps from alternative app marketplaces. Apple now officially supports alternative app distribution in some supported regions, like the EU, Japan, and Brazil. But the problem is not every iPhone can access this feature. If your device is not in a supported region, this option may not appear. So even if your iPhone is updated, you may still not be able to install apps outside the App Store using the official method. And that is where EUEnabler comes in. An EUEnabler is the tool that tries to unlock or enable that feature on devices that normally cannot access it. Now, we can activate EUEnabler using Lara. There are two methods to install Lara on your iDevice. The first method is using a computer. For the best success rate, I recommend using the computer method because it is more stable and usually works better. You can install Lara using tools like iLoader, AltStore, or SideStore. First, download the Lara IPA file. If you don't know how to install IPA files using iLoader, you can check my video right here. I already made a full tutorial showing how to install IPA files on iDevice using iLoader. The second method is without a computer, using AppleJr. This method only works if your device is not blacklisted by the certificate. To try this method, first open Safari on your iPhone or iPad, then go to AppleJr.net. Once the website is open, go to tab Jailbreak. Install the AppleJr DNS first. Tap the install button, then allow the configuration profile. Open Settings. You should see the downloaded profile at the top of Settings. Tap it, then tap Install. Then open AppJr on your home screen. After that, go to tab Jailbreak and look for Lara from the app list, then tap Install. Wait until the installation starts on your home screen. Once Lara is installed, you should see the app icon on your home screen. But if you try to open it for the first time, you may see an untrusted developer message. To fix this, open Settings, then go to General and open VPN and Device Management. Tap on the profile, then tap Trust. Tap Allow and Restart to confirm. After restart and the certificate is trusted, go back to your home screen and open Lara again. Now, after Lara opens successfully, we can start activating EUEnabler. On the Lara interface, tap Run Exploit. After that, tap Initialize System. Then tap Initialize Remote Call. This step is needed because Lara needs to prepare the system before EUEnabler can be activated. If everything is successful, now look at the top menu and tap the bugs icon. Then tap Remote Call Container. Now scroll down slowly until you find the EUEnabler section. Here, you should see two important options: Enable Eligibility and Spoof EU Region. Before clicking Enable Eligibility and Spoof EU Region, there is one important step you need to do first. You need to change your Apple ID region to a supported region. For example, you can try Japan, Brazil, or one of the supported EU countries. In my case, I'm going to change my Apple ID region to Japan. So first, open the App Store. Then tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap your name again to open your Apple account settings. Now tap Country or Region. After that, tap Change Country or Region. Here, select the region you want to use. For this video, I will choose Japan. Now follow the steps on the screen. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions, enter billing information, or select none if that option is available. You can follow exactly like I show in this video. Once your Apple ID region has been changed, go back to Lara. Now we can continue to the EUEnabler section. Inside the EUEnabler section, tap Enable Eligibility, so you only need to enable it once. After tapping it, wait until Lara finishes the process. Once it shows success, that means the eligibility feature has been enabled on your device. Next, tap Spoof EU region. Now wait again until the process is complete. If the Spoof EU region process gets stuck at 0% or 50%, don't worry. Just wait for a few moments, because sometimes the progress bar does not update correctly. And even if it looks stuck, it does not always mean the process failed. In some cases, the EU region spoof may already be applied, even if Lara still shows 0% or 50%. So if it is stuck for too long, you can simply leave Lara and test the feature directly. Now open Safari and try to install an alternative app marketplace like AltStore PAL, Aptoide, or any other marketplace you want to test. In my case, I will try to install AltStore PAL again. Then tap Download button. If EUEnabler is working correctly, you should now see a pop-up asking you to allow installation from this marketplace. If you see this pop-up, that means your device is now detected as eligible for alternative app marketplace installation. Before using EUEnabler, my device could not continue because it was not in a supported region. But now, after changing the Apple ID region, enabling eligibility, and spoofing the EU region, the marketplace installation prompt finally appears. This time, AltStore PAL should start installing directly on your iPhone or iPad. And as you can see, this is different from normal sideloading. You don't need a USB cable. You don't need to import a certificate. AltStore PAL can now be installed directly from Safari using the Alternative App Marketplace feature. Now you can browse available apps and install them directly from the marketplace. So if you see the marketplace permission pop up, that is a good sign that EUEnabler is working on your device. If you don't know which marketplaces can be installed directly using the EU-style alternative app distribution feature, don't worry, I will put some marketplace links in the video description. You can check marketplaces like AltStore PAL, Aptoide, Epic Games Store, Fortnite, and more. I will also update the description if I find more marketplaces that support direct installation on iPhone and iPad. And if you know another marketplace that works with this method, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.